Hello, welcome back to my channel Dr.Sirisha's Management Lectures. In this video, we shall discuss this 2-minute rule for increasing our productivity. The 2-minute rule. Okay, this actually is not a very new concept or something which we haven't heard of, but the thing is, if we really follow this 2-minute rule, it will definitely create wonders for us. It will definitely increase our productivity. Let us try to understand what this 2-minute rule is all about. Okay, see, basically the concept of 2-minute rule is like you should do a task immediately without any delay. Okay, you should complete a task immediately if it takes less than 2 minutes to complete it. Okay, so we have so many things or so many jobs or so many tasks which really if you just concentrate and think, you will find so many tasks which we just like that postpone. Okay, and those tasks really take less than 2 minutes, at the max 2 minutes to complete them. And when we really jump onto those tasks and really complete them, then our list, our to-do list will become really short, believe me. Okay, so that is the concept of 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes to complete it or finish it off immediately. Do not postpone such small tasks. Okay, like if on the work front, like if you have to check the mail, or if you have to respond to the mails and messages, or if you have to give instructions to your staff or something at the office, if you have to make a phone call, if you have to give them a to-do list to your subordinates, or if you have to just report or send a report to your superiors or subordinates, whatever, all those tasks, if you really perform them, if you do them, they will take less than 2 minutes. So any such tasks which take less than 2 minutes, just do them immediately. This can apply not just to your professional life, in personal life also, the household chores or anything like that. Do not postpone every task. Okay, and for that what you have to do is like you have to keep a mental list of to do things. Okay, you just get up in the morning, sit for your office time and think of the tasks that you need to complete, which really take less than 2 minutes, and immediately do them. Do not postpone them. Okay, so if you really complete those tasks first thing in the morning, what happens is it creates a lot of positive energy. It gives us a lot of boost. That sense of accomplishment, like they take less than 2 minutes. That is the point here. And if we really jump onto those tasks and if we really complete them, what happens is we get a sense of real accomplishment, real motivation that I have done so many tasks in the morning. I have completed all these tasks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all these jobs are done. So we feel that accomplishment, and that sense of accomplishment in the morning makes your day really beautiful and keeps you stay motivated all through the day, because you get that happiness, that contentment, that motivation that you have already done so many tasks. And if you do not do them, that list will get piled up. It becomes bigger and bigger and bigger, and that really demotivates you, right? So that is the concept of 2-minute rule, right? So definitely if we really do those things, if you really perform those tasks, it takes that weight off our shoulders. Okay, we feel light because already so many tasks are done. It is not that those tasks are not important. They are important, but they are small tasks. They take only less than 2 minutes. So what happens? The general tendency is we simply postpone them. Okay, do not postpone the tasks. Try this, because this is not something a very bouncer kind of a thing. We really can implement this practically, and we can see the difference for ourselves. Okay, thank you.